Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you've been enjoying my videos and the new series which has been running now for kids. I'm still going to continue to bring other videos on Sundays as I have been the whole life of my channel. Just thought that I'd do something for the kids, a little bit extra. Now, recently I opened the Adventure Kings 1500 watt inverter. Now, it's going to work perfectly for what I want to do with it, which you are still going to see, and I'm still going to bring a video of what I can run off it. But when I got it, I actually realized how physically big it was and how much space it takes up in my car. Yes, it'll run a lot of stuff, but I decided I needed a smaller one. So I have purchased the King's 500 watt inverter, and it's a pure sine wave inverter. Now this one I've purchased to run things like my laptop computer and just other small items that I want to charge up if I'm going away for a weekend. I don't want to take the big one away with me. So let's get into it. Once again, Kings would love it if they packaged it in a plain box. I know they want to advertise, but you see this sitting on your porch and somebody goes, "Whoa, that's an inverter," or someone flogs it out of the back of the delivery truck. I don't know. I kind of like my products coming not visible, not knowing what they are when I get them, so that people don't know what I'm purchasing. But that's up to Kings. So anyway, we'll get into it here. The King stuff does come very well wrapped. So as you can see, it does come well packaged. Well protected inside the box. All that polystyrene and stuff. Don't know how much longer we're going to be able to use that. Bad for the environment and all. It is good packaging, however. So it comes with two smaller cables to connect to your power. So don't expect that you're going to be mounting it a real long way from your battery without purchasing some other wires. I'm going to need to be doing that. So you've got the two of those that come with it. Not super long, reasonably heavy duty, and no fuse in it. Now, the actual unit itself comes with the instructions. Make sure you read all that. 12-month limited warranty. Now, as you can see, if you've watched my other video, you'll notice that this is a lot smaller unit. Therefore, I can put it in, I can just sit it under the seat, plug it in when I need to. I'm not actually planning to hardwire it in. Now, has a USB out, has power out, has the control plug-in for the remote thing, but it has an on-off switch on it as well, which is pretty cool. Now, oh, that was loose from packaging. Lucky it's captive. So on the back, we've got little covers, which is really cool. Protect it, and just a bolt to screw your wire on. Make sure you get them wired up right. So there we go. We can go straight to the battery. Personally, I'll probably want a fuse in there, just in case. But overall, it's not super heavy. It's a lot smaller, lightweight, pretty decent unit. Make sure you put that back on before you plug the battery back, screw it to the battery. Otherwise, you may be in a bit of strife. So yeah, protects it, stops it shorting out. Two cooling fans in the back. Can be screw mounted, which is pretty cool. So there you go, guys. That's the King's 500 watt power inverter, pure sine wave. Don't forget that. Now, if you've been liking my videos, make sure you check out my other videos, what I've been unboxing, four-wheel drive trips I've been on, and the Hot Wheels cars. If you're into a bit of Hot Wheels racing, I've recently got into doing some Hot Wheels stuff. If that's not for you, just stick to the other stuff. Make sure you hit that like, subscribe, guys, and I'll see you around on YouTube.